The koala looks like a soft, cuddly teddy bear, right? But guess what? It's not a bear at all. Koalas are marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch, just like kangaroos. These adorable animals spend up to 20 hours a day sleeping in eucalyptus trees. Their diet is low in energy, so they save all their strength for napping. Baby koalas, called joas, live inside their mother's pouch until they're big enough to ride on her back. And even though they look super cute, koalas can actually get pretty grumpy if disturbed. Still, there's no doubt, they're one of the cutest and most iconic animals in the world.